Millions of old shoes are discarded every year, creating mountains of waste that stretch for miles.
Heads up, here comes the next load. Watch the chute.
Sorting and inspection.
Watch out for the metal rod on the left.
Got it. Another one for the scrap bin.
Clear on this side.
Look closely at how clean this fabric is. Every fiber is perfectly dry.
The second stage employs high-speed rotating nylon brushes, ensuring a deep clean for even the most soiled soles.
Look at how the foam lifts the dirt from the treads. So satisfying.
Please proceed through the metal detector one at a time. Have your boarding pass ready.
Clean material ready.
Warning, entering final drying sequence. Please stand clear.
Shredding begins. The powder is conveyed directly into the melting extruder. Ensure the temperature is stable as the polymer reaches the transition phase.
This is the molten plastic emerging from the extruder die, characterized by its glossy surface and bright orange-red light. The molten polymer is precisely cut by the rotating die face, creating uniform pellets that immediately drop into the cooling bath.
Cooling sequence initiated. Temperature stabilization in progress.
The key is to move the pad smoothly across the surface, ensuring the compound is evenly spread for the best results.
Inspection complete.
Inspection complete.
Status: perfect.
The automated system ensures precision packaging, moving the stacks efficiently to the sealing station. Yeah, that one goes to the staging area right after you label it.
Experience the beauty of recycled materials with the new hexagonal tile from Mega Manufacturing.
So many different textures. Smooth, then rough. Listen to the tapping.
Placing the tile now. Hear that satisfying clink. A slight adjustment scrape, and then the final click into place.
Discover the beauty of our new eco-friendly flooring, where luxury meets sustainability. Welcome to the quiet space. Feel the warmth.
Mega MFG. Recycle, renew, redefine.
The mark of quality. Mega MFG.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.